Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help out the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, just a quick reminder for all my viewers watching, and that is guys, if you guys have not joined the Telegram group chat guys, what are you waiting for? It's free to join, a link in the description box below. We talk about cryptocurrencies, the latest news and trends revolving around the space, and just have a great time at the end of the day. So come join the group and let's build this community together. Now let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, we are currently sitting at $1.43 trillion. We're down 0.1% in the last 24 hours, meanwhile BTC dominance is currently sitting at 43.9%. Looking at the overall markets guys, we're starting to see a lot of red across the board, so now you may be wondering, what is causing this price movement towards the downside? And a simple way to answer that for you guys is that we are seeing Bitcoin retrace once again. And if you guys don't know, Bitcoin is the leading indicator of the entire market. So whatever Bitcoin does, especially if it goes towards the downside, the entire market is going to follow. And that's exactly what we're seeing right now happen around the crypto space. We will get into Bitcoin charts later on in this video. But today, guys, I want to give you guys an update once again on Shiba Inu. Alright, so if we're looking at Shiba Inu's price right now, we are currently trading at 0.000000825 cents. We are down 8.4% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, but we're also down 4.2% in Bitcoin and 8.9% in Ethereum comparative in just the last 24 hours. Shiba Inu's current rank on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko is at the top 26 spot. Market cap right now is $4.1 billion. Meanwhile, 24-hour trading volume is at $678 million. So one thing I want to point out for you guys in this update, in these updates, I tend to go over everything that I notice. So if you guys are looking at the 24-hour trading volume, we are sitting once again below that $1 billion mark. And that is not impressive in my opinion. Now you may be asking yourself a question, especially if you're new into the markets. You may be asking the question now, Crypto ZX, why is this not a good thing? Because guys, as I have mentioned in my previous videos, you guys know that Shiba Inu is literally being talked about around the world. That's how much hype there is really revolving around this specific coin. And if we do consider all the factors into this, the 24-hour trading volume should easily be up over $1 billion, even if the markets are seeing a retracement. So that's why we need to be looking at this when we are looking at the charts. But if we are looking at the overall, bigger picture, Shiba Inu has pulled some crazy significant gains obviously over the last 1 year, but in the last 30 days we are down 12.5%, but we're starting to see the markets recover towards the upside, and Shiba Inu is up 20.5%, even despite the fact that we are seeing a dip right now. We're up 20.5% in just the last 7 days. So now let's get right into the charts and look at the bigger picture and see where Shiba is going in the immediate short term. So right off the bat, as you guys can see, we are currently trading at this 0.00000084 cents mark. And you know what? Let's go on the daily time frame so we can get a nicer picture. All right, so let me just zoom in this for you guys. I would like to thank each and every one of you for taking your time out to come watch my videos. Your support is greatly appreciated. And so now if we are looking at the prices of Shiba, let's see what is going on. So as you guys can see, we're trading at this price level right now, and we are seeing a small retracement occur for Shiba as of now. And that is mainly due to the fact that we are seeing Bitcoin literally sitting at live support levels. As you guys may know, if you are a regular viewer on my channel, you know exactly what this support level really means for Bitcoin. And right now, you cannot make this up, guys. We're literally sitting right on the support level at this $33,300 mark. We're literally sitting right above it, and I would not be surprised if the bears are able to push the price further down towards the downside. And you know, if we break below this level, guys, this is basically a last life support for Bitcoin. If we break below it, then the door is open for us to go below $30,000. And these are the next support levels that we have seen in the past, and this is where we should be having a bounce back up. So it would be $29,700 level. If that's not able to hold, then $28,768. If we break below this, guys, then you know there's a very high likelihood that we could even possibly go back to $25,000 mark. Obviously, no one wants to hear this, but you know we have to face the reality, and that's why if you view my videos on a regular basis, you know what I always mention. We were literally below this level of support at the $36,240 level, and I did say, you know, we are not out of the woods just yet, because we need to stay above there, close above there for us to be on the safer end of the spectrum, but that was not the case, and we are seeing more downwards momentum occur. So we need to keep Bitcoin charts very closely in mind when we are looking at altcoins, and even if it's Shiba Inu. So as you guys can see, we are seeing Shiba being affected by the price of a Bitcoin going towards the downside. And what I would personally want Shiba to do is to stay above this level of support, as you guys can see, which is around this 0.0000816 mark. But one thing I would like to point out for you Shiba holders is that, as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, that the 24-hour trading volume is very low right now. So it would be very easy for Shiba to break towards the downside if Bitcoin continues to drop even further down. So let's please keep that in mind when we are looking at the charts for Shiba in the current time frame as of now. But now let's look at the bullish scenario. Let's say we do tend to see the bulls come out and save the day and push the price of Bitcoin towards the upside. Then things could start looking good once again, but we need to get above this $36,200 level mark. But if we are able to get above there, then I would not be surprised if Shiba gets back into this range that it was currently trading in just yesterday. We did manage to get all the way up to this 0.00001 cents mark, but we are unable to continue to see some upwards trend. Shiba is having a very hard time as of now to kill another zero, which Shiba community likes to say. And let me explain as to why that is happening right now. Despite the fact that literally guys, the entire world is talking about Shiba Inu coin. It's absolutely insane. There's so much hype building up. There's a lot of exciting news anticipated for the Shiba coin itself, Shiba Swap, Coinbase, possibly even Robinhood. And if we are going on to Etherscan, guys, the day by day, I will share this with you guys on a daily basis. You guys can see the holders for Shiba token are growing at an exponential rate. Day by day, this number continues to increase. And at this rate, I would not be surprised by the end of this year for this number to be around 1 million holders. That would be absolutely mind-blowing. So despite all these things that I have mentioned for you guys, we're still seeing Shiba having a very tough time breaking above this level of support at this 104 cents mark. And that is where we us Shiba holders will want to kill another zero, but it's having hard times doing that because the 24-hour trading volume is not in supports for Shiba as of now. So we need more buying pressure to definitely kick in for us to have things rolling, towards the upside. And obviously we do have the Bitcoin move towards the downside. We have to keep that in mind as well. We know what has been going in the markets over the last 2 to 3 weeks. Not 2 to 3 weeks, almost 1.5 months now. And we saw Bitcoin go towards the downside. And if you guys don't know, if this is your first time coming into crypto, Bitcoin rules the market. So far, we are seeing Shiba outperforming Bitcoin and holding quite well compared to some other altcoins right now. But still, that does not mean if Bitcoin goes towards the downside, Shiba is just going to be hovering around the same prices. That is definitely not the case. So in order for us to kill another zero, if you guys want to say it like that, we need more buying pressure to kick in. And then I think we are off to the races. We might see more resistance around this 122 cents mark. If Shiba is able to break above it, then we will be seeing some newer highs. We could be anticipating some newer highs. Obviously, the Shiba swap is very, very highly anticipated within this community. I believe once that comes out, we will definitely see some price action towards the upside as well. Coinbase listing, when they officially list it on their platform, that will create more hype as well. Because if you guys don't know, if this is your first time coming on my channel, guys, there's a lot of retail hype on the sidelines right now for a Shiba Inu token. So meaning there's newcomers that don't know much about cryptocurrencies. They don't know how to shift funds from one exchange to another. They like one-stop shop. And this is why Robinhood and Coinbase are so huge for a project like Shiba. This is why everyone is talking about it for it to be listed, because they know what kind of a catalyst that could be for a move towards the upside for Shiba Inu. But as of now, for the short term, we need to keep in mind that right now we need to be looking at Bitcoin charts very, very closely. If Bitcoin drops below $33,000, guys, I would not be surprised if Shiba will break below this level of support and get back into this range where we have built up quite a bit of support. Obviously, none of us want to hear that right now, but again, we need to be realistic and look at all these scenarios when we are looking at the markets. I am not going to come out here and tell you or give you false hope stating that, Shiba is going to the moon tomorrow. Absolutely not. I'm sorry to say that to you guys. We just have to face the reality, and you need a lot of patience in this market if you have done your due diligence and research and have invested what you can afford to lose. Patience will be your number one key to follow. I always like repeating this because this is very, very important. But with that being said, I think this is it for Shiba's update. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys are thinking about these updates that I'm bringing you guys regarding Shiba. And please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. This does help the YouTube algorithm push my videos out to a wider audience. Your support would be greatly appreciated, and thank you so much for taking your time out to watch my video. It really means the world to me, and your support does not go unnoticed. Stay safe out there. Safety, health, and family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. I will see you guys later. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.